Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel, Chi.Chi.Luxe. So, your girl realized that I never ever did a full dedicated review on the Gucci shoulder bags. So, that's what we're doing today. How come y'all didn't tell me? Y'all supposed to be like keeping me in check. This is the Gucci GG Supreme medium shoulder bag, padlock shoulder bag. It's a lot of words, but it's this bag right here. I did do a comparison with this bag and the boy bag if you like to see that. But let's just get into the details. We have this lovely gold chain that you can double up to put on your shoulder or have it single strap to just fall all the way down. Some smooth leather at the top. You have the coated GG Supreme canvas that wraps around. However, you do have this lovely smooth leather piece on the base. On the back, we have a slit pocket on the back that is smooth leather. This one is a cognac color to match the sides of the bag, which are gusseted. And you also get a clochette to lock the bag. This is kind of like the pochette Matisse, where you just click it open and bam, you have the smooth leather up top and boom, you have a pit. Inside you have one zippered compartment, and on this side you have two card slots. So I've had this bag for I think 2 years now, about 2 years now. And I can definitely give you an adequate review on this because I have some thoughts. I definitely have some thoughts. I'm gonna give y'all my shots because you know your girl is plus size, so you can see how it looks on this body yaddy yaddy. Little double strap action right here. Now the problem is she is a runner. Exhibit A. So she does tend to fall off of the shoulder if you're not clutching it real tight. And then of course you can wear it single strapped. I do have things in this bag because you know I gotta keep stuff in it. But again, the problem, it falls. It is annoying, guys. And then the final way to wear this, my least favorite, is crossbody, but it is an option. I do not wear it like this. I only wear it like this if I need it in a pinch. But if you do wear it like this, just know this chain right here on that neck, hope you ain't got no boyfriend or husband, because it's gonna dig in and leave a mark and he gonna think you cheating, girl. So if you carry a lot of stuff and you do wear this crossbody, just know you're gonna have to defend yourself. You're gonna have to come up with some answers. Still a cute bag though. Look at it. It's actually a pretty spacious bag. It's lined with a suede material, which is very luxurious. So currently I have a full mini pochette. Y'all know how I feel about that. My keys, lipstick, my coin card holder, my round coin purse, my pocket organizer, and in the card holder I have a card holder. So that's currently what I kept in there for right now, and you can see it's just one big old space. Oh, just love this interior, it's so good. This bag definitely can get a little on the heavy side because she's got a little weight to it, which I do like. I like a little bit of weight. To me, it just feels a little bit more luxurious. If it's too like light and you don't feel that thickness of the leather or the canvas, it just like, why even buy luxury? You know what I'm saying? It does suck that they didn't have some sort of leather piece on it because so much of the bag has leather on it. But I'm kind of glad that they didn't have the leather because it makes the bag look a little bit more dressy at times. But this is a very casual bag. Like, don't get me wrong, it's super casual. With this smooth leather comes scratching. This bag is easily scratched. What's really funny about it is that the base of my bag, not a single scratch. It's not super like delicate, but you gotta be like, what you got? What are you placing next to my bag? Not truly like baby. She's like an 8-year-old, 8-year-old, where, you know, you can't really leave them at home, but you know, they can call 911. They still need a little adult supervision. But let's go ahead and give you some options and what can actually fit in here. Of course, this card holder is going to go where the card holders reside for the duration of this video. So, mini pochette, always got to keep that. Round coin purse, some lippy sticks, the Victorine wallet, good choice. Keys. I forgot my cell phone. Got my bulky behind cell phone. And I can put my cell phone in vertically. Let's do another card holder. So you can see it's pretty stuffed. All right, and that is how she is looking. It's a little bit crooked because I have more stuff on this side than on this side. So that's all the stuff that is in there. You see, I still have a little bit of room to put little knickknacks in. I'm gonna try to put my sunglass case in there. All right, we're gonna sandwich it in between there. This might be a tight fit, but does close, little warping. She a little tight. Just in case one of y'all need to see it, I am going to replace the mini pochette with the Toiletry 15. All right, so you can see it does close with that being substituted in there. I forgot to add a pocket organizer. You wouldn't really carry all of these small little card holders, but I don't know, some of you may. But here is everything. The bag is heavy though. Your girl's getting a workout. Okay, let's do something wild and crazy. We're gonna do the Toiletry 15 mini pochette. Let's do coin card holder, phone, keys. Do we want to do the coin purse? Yeah, let's do the coin purse. I'm gonna try to jam in the lipstick. Let's just see. Will she close? Tight fit, but it works. Oh, what in the world is that? Is that my face? Please hold tend to my bag. This is pretty heavy. I'm not even gonna lie, but it does fit a bunch of stuff. You can't even front. Like that's a lot of crap in there. Now let's take out the coin card holder and let's take out the lipstick. Substitute it for the Victorine wallet. Shablam. We're getting there. Okay. Maybe I could still put a I might be pushing. Coin card holder? Okay. You can also put the coin card holder in there too. Alright. She gets a little hard to open when it is overstuffed. When she's full, her belt is a little hard to get open. Let's bring in a full-size wallet. So we got that. Let's get our phone in here, our keys in here, coins. Let's put that right there. Lipstick. Do we dare try a mini pochette? We might could. Okay, look like we getting somewhere. Let's put her. Okay, she's a little lopsided, but still works. What else? You could put an additional card holder. I'm just laying it right on the top. Come on. There we go. Again, she a little on the gangsta lean, but she does close. The toiletry is not going to fit. I can tell you that right now. Let's put. The toiletry does fit if you take out the mini pochette, but I find it a little harder to close because it's a little bit stiffer, but you can see. That's no bueno. Let's do a pocket organizer and just lay the sunglasses on top. And bam. Not bad, huh? Let's try one more thing. Let's see if this thing fits again. A medium 6-ring agenda does fit in this bag. Now, what else fits? We will find out. Let's go with the keys, the phone, lipstick, coin purse. I mean, I have the regular card holder. Let's do this one. But remember, with the agenda, it does have card slots in it, so you don't technically need a card holder. It fits, guys, it fits. And it doesn't work too bad. For this bag, it's super organized. Like, okay, so. Now let's try to get the mini pochette in there. All right, agenda, mini pochette. You wanna do Victorine? Let's try Victorine. Actually, you know what? If I didn't put my phone in, it might could work. It might could. Okay, so it works with that. Let's substitute the Victorine for a card holder. And we need our phone. Oh, this is open. Coins falling. Coins. Okay, I think that. Let's do the lipstick too. Oh shit. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Take out the lipstick. Nope, that's not gonna work either. Let's take out the change purse. The phone? What's happening is that the agenda is making this gusset too wide, so it's not closing. Okay. We got it. I don't recommend a lot of these things to put in there. I would not carry an agenda, but if you really needed to, I mean, it does work. As far as signs of wear, you do get the scratches on this part, and then on the other side, and then on the underside, I have a couple of scratches as well. The thing about it is that this bag, I don't like how this particular top flap is, because I don't know, it just, look, it just looks very uneasy to me. And then it's because it's literally sewn right here, and that's it. So if you don't have enough items in your bag, because of the weight of the flap, your bag will just fall back like that. So it's something to note if you are considering this bag. If you're into a single flap bag like the classic Chanel when it did come in the single flap, or even the boy bag, this is a great alternative, and it's a lot less expensive. It is kind of durable, but you do have to look after it just a little bit. You got to be mindful of what you do put in, because you will cause a little bit of stress, as you saw, to the opening, and we don't want that. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section. Check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one.